Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time, your support. Today we're going to be doing a wet film screen protector install for my Motorola Razr Full 2026 ArmorSuit, purchased over at Amazon. This company has actually been around for quite a while. Military shield protection for a lifetime. Scan QR to watch video instructions. On the back, there is a lot of information, so please read everything. Do not skip a beat. I don't think I ever made a video doing a wet film screen protector install. Typically, regular film screen protectors and tempered glass screen protectors. So let's go ahead and open the box, see what we have here. You actually get two. A little different there. It's been quite a while, so hopefully I don't screw this up. It's one of those type of screen protectors that once you have it on, you're going to squeegee out all the excess water, but you will see some bubbles. Those bubbles will go away over time, so you're going to have patience as far as those bubbles. Probably best to do this in the evening time, so when you go to bed, you wake up, all those bubbles are gone. You have some information here. Again, read everything. I'm not going to go through all of this, but I will show you the info. Okay, we'll put that over there, and you got the ArmorSuit installation guide. So again, please read everything. Very nice presentation, by the way. So I'm going to put one of these away, and so nothing happens to that. And let's get the spray bottle. It's a mini spray bottle. This solution is non-hazmat, non-toxic. You can read what it contains. And again, read everything, folks. Okay. I'm not going to get that to stand. Okay, so the actual film is on this side. And was there three of them? Oh, okay. Wow. You get three of them. I lied. Where'd this guy come from? He's for a different, from a different screen protector, man. Over to my left, I have a lot of cases there, dummy devices. Yeah, just a lot of stuff over there. So I have to clean that up. Okay. So here is your microcloth, and here is your rubber squeegee. Okay, installation squeegee. This is what we need. My Motorola Razr Fold is turned off. I got this little rubbery mat that helps keep my devices in place. It works pretty decent. So what I'm going to do is get an alcohol prep wipe the display down. So if you have any of those laying around, I would clean the display off really well. Then we're going to spray it down with the solution, and then we're going to lay down the film screen protector over the top, position it as best we can. Okay, so what I want to do is spray that again. And then this is the hard part. I'm actually going to remove, I think I mentioned earlier you lay it on top, but you actually remove this and spray that. Okay, that's how you do that. pull that a little forward there, and you just lay it, and you're going to squeegee the water out. Now I have the frame with the built-in screen protector from Poetic. It's the Spartan case. Did a review, so you can go watch that video. If you already have, thank you very much. So I'm going to see if I can actually get a touch response with both screen protectors. And because I have to be somewhere, I'll probably remove this later. Actually, I want this one. Look at that. Touch response is fine. No issues. There's the Poetic Spartan case review. And okay, so touch response is great with the Poetic. Make sure I take that off really nice and slow. Like I said, all those bubbles will be gone by tomorrow. Not worried about that. It's a very unique way of doing a film screen protector install, but it works. All right, everybody. God bless. Peace. I'm out.